This is my nail polish collection, and I want to downsize it. So how did I do for quarter 2? And we're gonna start with the polishes I've used the most. The first one being this one in the shade Snowflake Blue Ice. As you can see, it was already nearly finished. I've used it 2 times on my toenails and I was able to finish it. So we have our first empty of the year. And I also used his brother Snowflake Metal Frost also 2 times, but on my fingernails, and I also was able to finish it. In this update, my uses are for March, April and June, but we had a very rotten weather all spring and all the beginning of summer, so it was pretty easy for me to use icy polishes, even though I usually like them more for winter time. However, I never really enjoy the bottom of the bottles of polishes because the last drops of polishes are thick and goopy and they are difficult to apply and they are not as pretty as when they are fresh on the nails. Next we have this one from Cure Bazaar in the shade Rose Milk. I also used this one 2 times on my fingernails and I also was able to finish it, which was more unexpected because there was a little bit more product left than in the 2 previous ones, but I think that what was deceiving was that there was 5 little metal balls in this bottle. At some point I added myself metal balls in this bottle to be able to shake the polish better, and either there was already metal balls from the beginning in this bottle, or I had already added myself metal balls I don't know when, but obviously I forgot. But anyway, obviously the 5 metal balls were creating way more volume in the polish than what was in the bottle for real. When I am near the end of a bottle, usually I let the little balls roll out of the bottle and I even let the polish drop in a little saucer to be able to get it, because often the brush doesn't go to the very bottom of the bottle. And I did this for this one, as you can see on the picture. So yeah, when I had the surprise to see the 5 balls rolling, I also saw that there was less polish in this bottle than what I was thinking. And as I said in the last video, I have to use 3 coats with this polish, otherwise it's very streaky. So of course it also helps to finish it with only 2 manicures. The next one I used also 2 times on my fingernails is this one from Essence in the shade I Like You. This one is newer than the previous ones, so of course I am not close to be finished with this one, but I like it and I don't mind keeping using it. And it's a pretty thick one, so I was able to make some visible progress and to make a new mark. Now we're gonna talk about the polishes that I used only once this last quarter. The first one being the one that you saw on my nails in the previous video. It's this blue one from Nailkind in the shade Skinny Dip. As I told you last time, it's made with sugarcane, cotton and corn, which I think is very funny and I really liked it. I guess I didn't use it since the last video because I was focusing on the polishes I had a chance to finish. But I think it's a good one and I wouldn't be against buying other shades in this range. I didn't make any mark on this one because I am still too close to the top of the bottle, so it doesn't make sense. However, I was able to make a new mark on this gold one. It's from Sephora. It's called I'm a Rich Girl. I don't think it's pretty against my skin tone, but I was able to use it 1 time on my toenails and I also used it for some scrapbooking thing. So that's how I was able to make a new mark on this one. And even though I've only used it once and I am nowhere near the end, I still reached my goal with this one, because I don't know if you remember, but in the last video I was saying that I would consider it to be a success if I was able to wear it at least 1 time. And I did it. So from now on, I don't care anymore about using this one. If I do it's a plus. If I don't, I'm still happy with what I already did this year. Then we have this one, Neon Fest from Rimmel. I've also used this one once. I've used it on my fingernails and I've made a mark on it, but it's the first mark. Previously the product was too close to the top of the bottle, so it's the first marking on this one. I really like this one. I am a big fan of bright pinks, be it in clothes or in makeup. I'm not gonna try to finish it by any means this year, but I know I will enjoy it till the end of the bottle. I wouldn't say the same thing about this one. It's from YSL in the shade Divine Coral. I've used it one time on my fingernails and one time on my toenails, and I'm realizing that I should have talked about this one in the first part of the video, but that's no big deal. It's the one I have on my nails today and I don't really like it. I mean, I like the color, but I'm not too fond of the quality of the polish itself. I find it difficult to get an even application with this one, even with several layers. To be fair, it's an old product and a discontinued line, so I wouldn't say that all YSL polishes are trash. I have still quite a long way to go, so I'm not sure I could finish this one this year. It was not necessarily what I was planning to do anyway, but the more I wear it, the more I want to be done with it. So now I'm wondering if I will make an effort to finish it this fall or not. I still like the shade, so it wouldn't be that terrible to wear it a lot, but I don't know, we'll see next update. Next we have this nail care product, and I really made an effort to use it every day, even twice a day when I wasn't wearing any polish. And I am really near the end. I think I can have it done for next update. I've used it 32 times on my fingernails and 5 times on my toenails, which is way more than any update in any project, so I'm pretty pleased with that. And now I can say that I will have this one finished this year, be it for next update or for the next one, but that's it, I'll be done with it. And we are left with the polishes that I didn't use at all. Of course, there are the 2 silvers because I was focusing on finishing this one. I didn't use this dark pink because I was using this bright pink that I prefer for spring summer. This one is more my fall winter pink, and if you remember, this one is one that I think I can finish before the end of the year. Same for the purples. I didn't use the dark purple because I was using the light one. I didn't use the red one and I didn't use the white one. And I used the black one only to make marks on my project pan items. And even though I only did a very tiny amount of product to do that, I was already struggling to get enough polish to make the marks. So I think it's really near the end, and of course it's a bigger motivation for me to focus on this one to finish it. I guess that if I struggle to have enough polish to make a little line on a product, I can be done with it maybe in only 1 manicure or 1 pedicure, and I quite like that idea. So I think we can bet that this one will be in the list of the finished polishes of this year. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay glossy and stay shiny. Bye!